ओके सो हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चेरी टेडी आर्ट। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्या बनाने वाले हैं कि मैं जब सुबह उठा गाइस तो मेरा मूड बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश था और मुझे तुरंत ही ये बात पता चली कि आज सोमवार है, सावन का पहला सोमवार। तो आज के दिन मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना अपने दोस्त यारों के साथ पार्थिव शिवलिंग का निर्माण किया जाए। पर मैंने ये सोचा कि उसे छोटा बनाते हैं और घर बनाते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा मिट्टी की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी, तो घर मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा। मैंने सोचा कुछ अलग करते हैं गाइस। तो हम अलग करने के लिए पहुंच गए कैलाश मंदिर। यह एक प्राचीन काल का मंदिर है। यह महादेव को समर्पित है, जहाँ पर स्वयं परशुराम भगवान ने 2 शिवलिंग स्थापित किए हैं। तो आज हमने सोचा कि सावन के महीने में नदी यानी यमुना माता के जल स्तर के बढ़ने से कैलाश मंदिर बड़ा सुहावना लग रहा था। तो हमने वहाँ शिवलिंग बनाने का प्लान किया, पार्थिव शिवलिंग बनाने का प्लान। तो वैसे इससे पहले कि आप वीडियो की भावनाओं में हो जाएं, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल पर नए हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। शिव जी के लिए एक लाइक व एक सब्सक्राइब तो बनता ही है। पहला स्टेप गाइस ये था कि हमने कैंची की सहायता से यमुना के किनारे की मिट्टी को खोदा एंड उसको माड़ा, आटे की तरह माड़ा।
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. I don't ever get a bitch, nah, I don't contemplate. Just gotta check the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. You don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose when you're less than yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon that's sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Take the words I'm saying, turn them to a game. Say the best I'm saying, put them on display. On the beat, in the brain, take the feeling of my pain. Never slow yourself down, you can go some more. Push back, start a pain, and if I don't want it, don't be on it. And finally it's gone, yeah, they come out of job. You can never do the phone. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-gods. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Don't want it, just run with me. I think I'm bad enough, I still go. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not called best. Don't want it, just fuck with me. I think I'm bad enough, I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not called best. Go, 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 go. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
अगर आप अब तक वीडियो में बने हुए हो तो हमारी मेहनत के लिए वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, एंड चैनल पे नए हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, एंड शेयर कीजिएगा, एंड लाइक करके कमेंट करके इस वीडियो को आगे